Replacing the purge valve on your 2006 to 2012 Toyota Rav4 is a job you don't need to pay anyone else to do. It's a 5-minute fix. You can do it yourself. We're going to do it right now. Now, there's a number of reasons why you might need to change this. For me, I was having idle fluctuations, so this is one of my culprits here. The valve lives right on top of your air intake tube, and it comes out within minutes. You have an electrical connector and 2 vacuum lines, a bracket that holds it in, which you may or may not need, depending on which one you purchase, and a little clip that holds your wire harness in. To swap this out, the first thing you do is take a pick or a small screwdriver to pry down this locking tab and pull off this connector. Then you'll take off the 2 clamps or loosen the 2 clamps that hold on these vacuum lines. Use the small pliers, or if you have caveman hands like me, you can just do it with your bare hands. After you do that, you want to pry up this bracket. Now it sits into the top of your intake tube, just into a rubber piece, so it kind of snaps in. You can use the tool to pry it up and out, but you can also just wiggle it off. Now there's a bracket here that may or may not come with your new unit. If it doesn't, you'll just swap it out by removing this Phillips head screw. In the bracket here, there's a clip that holds the wire harness. Use a pair of pliers to squeeze the ends of it to pop it out. This is an aftermarket valve. It's very inexpensive, and I'll put a link to it below. But putting these back together is just doing everything in the reverse order. Make sure you fully seat the electrical connector by listening for the click. Likewise, with the vacuum lines, make sure that they're all the way in and try to get those clamps in the same spot that they were to begin with. The peg for the bracket has a larger head on it, so make sure it goes all the way in because that's what holds it in place. All in, this repair should take less than 5 minutes. I like doing these videos to show how easy it is to do some of these things on your own, and of course to save a ton of money while doing it. I'll put links to the items I use below, and if you use my links, I will earn a whole 17 cents.